What's up, guys? So today we're going to be doing a timing belt on a Subaru here, and it's the 2.5 liter. So my buddy's going to go ahead and explain to you what all he's taking off here.
This goes right here, so you have to take this two bolts out, move that out of the way, and you got to take two radiator fans off. You can push them down through the bottom, or if you want to take the radiator hose off, you can pull it up to the top. It's totally up to you. But after you get those out, you got your crank pulley bolt.
We used this, took it right off.
And then after you get the crank pulley off, you take the small timing cover off, which is on the left side, right side, whichever. And then you take the other side, which is the whole piece of the rest of the timing cover. You pull that all off.
Looks like that.
And after that, from the crank, set it top dead center, your marks. There's one right here, there's one on the other side. Yes. And the crank, a little arrow here, you can see it's dark. But okay, line up the crank. You barely see it, but right here in the casing of the block, there's a little notch. You have to get up close and see it, and you'll see it. On the right side, or the passenger side, it's right here.
Yep, because we got to go over here on that side. You can see the two marks. We do have to go back just a little bit here. You can see it's at top dead center now. Let's see what the crank marks here. Yep. So we got the belt off here. It's got some real small cracks in it. We went ahead and marked them. It's always a good habit to mark your belts, guys. Mark the pulleys.
So after you get it set to top dead center, this is the tensioner. Here's a bolt right here. Be careful because there's a washer on the back and the front, but the front one won't fall off, but the back one will. So pull the bolt out, the tensioner is going to fall down. Pull the tensioner out, you push down the belt, and you mark it, like we showed you. And then you just pull the belt off, or drain the coolant.
Alright, guys. So, drain the radiator. Here's a little drain plug. It's tiny. With the Phillips, don't lose it. Here we go. Here's all the kit that we got here for the whole timing component kit. Comes with a new belt, which is pre-marked for us, which is actually convenient. Got a water pump, gaskets. We got the idler pulley and the water pump pulley here. Pulleys. Two idler pulleys. Here's the other one.
This is just another idler pulley. It goes on the bottom.
So
we get started. Okay, so these idler pulleys are different. One has a lip, as you can see, and this one does not. The one with the lip goes on the bottom underneath this one. And once you get underneath there, you'll see what I'm talking about. And then this one obviously goes over on the water pump side. When you pull the water pump off to replace the water pump, you're going to pull a little radiator hose and this other little hose on the side. Take the bolts out, and then the thermostat's on the bottom. I would recommend replacing it if you're already in here, so we're going to replace it.
Alright, we're going to go ahead and put the drain plug back. Definitely going to want to have that drain pan. Clean that gasket surface up, which we're going to go ahead and do. And then put everything back together with the new gasket and a new pump. Alright, so here's the new one. Put the housing on. Got the gasket there. Got our ultra gray.
Okay, so when you tighten the water pump bolts, sink them down a little ways and then go around a couple times. Do not put them too tight, because if you do, then you obviously strip the threads out in the block or the head and you're screwed. Then you gotta recap it, anything. When you tighten them, just don't put them too tight. Just tight enough to hold it. And squeeze the gasket, and that's good.
Alright, you getting the hoses on there?
And now here's the thing with the 2 pulleys. One with the lip goes on the bottom. Underneath the one that doesn't have the lip.
Alright guys, so what we had to do is we had to take that lower idler pulley off down there, line all the marks up here, see, get an angle there, line all the marks up, and then we put the tensioner on here, which still has the pin in it, as you can see. Once we got the tensioner on, we went ahead and put this pulley back on down there, and then all we got to do now is pull the pin to tension the belt, and obviously we're going to want to make sure the marks don't jump time. Snugged up the drain plug down there, belt on, lines are all marked up, tensioner's set, new pulleys on, water pumps on. Just getting the timing covers on here. We got everything assembled, it's topped off. We're about to start it up and keep topping off the radiator here. Get all your tools picked up. Success. Alright guys, keep burping the coolant system here and popping it off. Get all the bubbles out of the system here. Keep doing that over and over. Watch the handle. Alright, thanks for watching.